But all in all, I'm actually quite happy with it. This we can always just glue back on, because this is just like a filler F20 M Sport. This I can get another bar for in the front, so that's not a problem. And then I just need the plastics inside there, which I need to check if the intercooler ones are not damaged. So let's do that. So that front bar already came with the parts last week, so you can check that out in the previous video. But all we need to get is just the plastic air duct for the intercooler, then we should be all good to rock and roll with the front bumper. So I'm going to continue stripping the front. If you guys like what you've seen, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with anyone you think that will enjoy this rebuild / series going on, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace out. 135's subframe had a small little knock on it,